Hello and welcome to today's 2-minute tutorial. Yesterday we saw how we could add a new cue sheet to our project by right-clicking on the cue sheet tab bar and selecting new cue sheet from the pop-up menu. We can also add a new cue sheet by going to the cue sheet main menu item and selecting cue sheet from there. We're asked to give our new cue sheet a title, which we'll do there, and click done, and there you'll see the new cue sheet, a blank cue sheet appears. If we subsequently want to rename these cue sheets, or maybe change the sequence, or even delete one, then the way we do that is we go to the main menu item, project, cue sheet maintenance, and here you see we have a dialog which has popped up which lists each of our cue sheets in our project. Here we can choose to change the sequence if we wish. We can rename in this bottom window down here, we can rename the cue sheets, and we can indeed delete cue sheets from here as well. So if we select the cue sheet we want to get rid of, in this instance we'll get rid of the one we've just created, we'll click delete, and there it is gone. And once we click done, we'll see we've got our two cue sheets remaining as we had initially. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial. A bit shorter than usual, but you can join me tomorrow for the next one.